it like this. Have warm water. Now what I'm looking for is that the mesh is clean. So maybe a little bit here. Now this side is clean. I'm gonna turn it over. There's no paint really here, but if I wanted to, I could just gently, and I can even use a little bit more water. This side rub. We can rub gently. This side, no. Okay. Final little tip. If you have an old rag, an old towel, put your stencil on it. Remember the piece of foil you have? Treat. Want it to be like this. And line it up. Very, very gentle. There you go. All done.